The 8-reel radial carriage is significant. It's believed to be the last carriage of its type in existence in the world. The carriage is undergoing a nuts and bolts restoration to see it return to its former glory. It was built in 1868 in England and shipped to Australia. Originally it was used as a first-class passenger car, and in its later life it became a worker's van, and that's the state it was in when it arrived at Transport Hera. So the restoration will involve a lot of heritage skills that are dying out at the moment and no longer easily available. And hopefully some more training will come out of that. So you'll have painters, you'll have gilders, you'll have sign writers, you'll have upholsterers involved, and carriage builders like me doing the timber work. So there's a lot of work still to be done. The carriage will be at the Rail Museum in Thirlmere. People can expect to see a carriage as it would have been in the 1870s when it was a first-class carriage in New South Wales Railways. And experience what it was like to travel in the 1870s.